You ready because we go in the party, okay? 11. Huh? I love you.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang
In
buhay mo.
the hotel. I said I love you. Oh, hello. I'll do 10 or 11 o'clock. You pick up me here, okay? I love you more. Yeah, meron in my friend. Isn't your location? No problem. You take shower and you brush your teeth and you wearing.
Few moments later.
May kong itik, Pax.
Next patient.
Paano na to, hindi? Paano to siya? Itik, Pax. Paano na yung kayamanan ko kung ganito na ako? Itik, Pax. Ito, Angkin, Pax. Akin, itik, Pax.